Hey guys, welcome back to the Tuff Dance Fitness Challenge sponsored by Tuff Apparel. I am your girl Chriss CHOREO and this is the grand finale, and you know which movement I'm gonna add to this here series. We're gonna be doing, if you guessed it, you guessed right, it's the push-up whine, and we're doing 8 in total. Now, so yesterday we ended with the boom pan it, which ended right here. Some of you would have been up here. Now for everybody, I'm going to give you 4 counts to get into the movement. If you don't require those 4 counts, then that would mean that you're going to be doing a full 8 push-up whines. All right? For other persons, I'll give you an example. Say for example, you're coming from right here. You just finished boom pan it right here. And your final one, you're going to come down, knee, hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go right into your push-up whine to do only 4 push-up whines. Okay, so let me do that again. If you're coming from your boom pan it, say it's right here or right here. Let's do it midway. 1, the final one, you come down. 1, 2, 3, 4 to end. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the push-up whine can either be done with a push-up or it can be done in just a plank position. It's harder, of course, if you're doing the actual push-up, going down and up with the body. Whereas if you're doing a plank, that's the modified version. If either of those is hard, then all you can do is get the knees here, modified push-up, and just do this here, modified version. Yeah? Because it literally is a push-up, guys. All we're doing is adding a little intensity by moving those hips. Yeah? So let's go from the last 4 of boom pan it. So here we go. My boom pan it started down here. Start with yours. I am actually just going to go right into the push-up whine. Okay, so without that 4 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, all I do is hands down, push out the legs to go down and up, down and up, and I can just end here. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're going to add everything together from the Beyonce whine all the way down to push-up whine. So here we go, babe. Yo, full suit of black. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop back, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump in and out. 1, 2, 3, we're gonna wind down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom pan it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Guys, this has been the Tuff Dance Fitness Challenge. Remember, you can go over this routine as many times as you want. I promise you it will increase your endurance, your heart rate, everything. Big up yourself.